Hello boys and girls, this is HappyMilaTV. We are happy to see you. We are very happy to see you. And today Mila, we are opening and playing with your favorite Kinder surprises. We have three different Kinder surprises.
Mama!
Each box has 3 eggs. 3 eggs in each box. Look, I'll show you. We got these Kinder eggs in Canada, and you can see it's in French and English in both languages. So let's open and see what surprises it will bring, Mila. Wow, let's open the first one. X. Wow. One already got cracked, so it's okay. Nice. Chocolate, milk chocolate. So smooth, so soft, so delicious. Let's put this everything on a white piece of paper like this. Okay, so let's see what's the toy inside. Let's see. Okay, let's open. Wow. What is this? It's a panda. Look. Panda and a little ring. Mila, look, it's for you. You can use it as a ring, or let's see what you build. Okay, we can make a little container. Okay, wow. You close it. Look, and you can put something inside. Oh. So here is Panda. Mila, look. Chocolate. You want some chocolate? Yeah. Nice. And some for me. It's so delicious. Okay, Mila, look. You can make a ring. I put this. And open. Look. It's a panda ring. Look, everybody. Boys and girls. So, Mila, you need a napkin. Here is a napkin for you and for your face. Now clean. Look, everybody. It's a ring. It's a ring, panda ring. Okay, this is toy number 1. Toy number 2. Egg. Wow, it's all something happened. It fell and it cracked. It's okay. The toy is safe, like in a safe, and we can eat all the chocolate. So, Mila, you like the chocolate? Kinder, nice. Wow. Oh, what do we have here? 2 little guys. You can put one on top of another. One is looks like an elephant, and the other one looks like a rhinoceros. Okay, so what can we do with this toy? Does it have any buttons? This thing, I think something is moving. No, nothing is moving. So just put one on the top of another, and that's toy number 2. Mila, here, some chocolate. Get some strength. Toy number 2. Toy number 3. Mila, look. What do we have here? Wow! It's a little turtle. No, it's a hedgehog. I can see it. I can see that little hedgehog. Good girl, you put it together. Hedgehog. Like this. And up. You can open it. And little hedgehog. And it comes with a leaf. You can put. Let's look on the instructions. Okay, you can put, wow, it has a special space here. You put it inside and like he's sitting on a leaf. This. Wow, look, hedgehog is sitting on the leaf. Toy number 3. Toy number 3. Mila, let's clean your face. And this table. We have opened. Already we have opened 3 toys. We have opened 3 toys, 3 eggs. And we have more here, yeah. Let's see what's inside. This one. Egg. Nice.
Wow.
Put this. What do we have here? Wow. Uh-oh. It says on this box that it has new toys. The toys that have never been used in Kinder before. So what do we have here? Wow, this is interesting. Little girl, little doll, and wow. I already can see what he does. I am going to show it to you now. And then this is dress. This is a dress for a girl that we have. And then you put her inside here. And look, magic happens. It's a flower. It's a flower. But then we open it and there is a little girl inside. Thumbelina. Thumbelina. I think that's how you call a girl from that famous fairy tale. Look. Mila, it's a flower. Look. It's a flower. Flower. And now you open it, there's a girl inside. Wow.
Nanny.
Next egg. Egg number. Uh-oh.
Mama.
Egg number 5. Egg number 5. Mila, let's open and see. Look, what do we have here? What do we have here? Let's see. Wow, it's another toy. All the toys that we open, there's no duplicates and they are all new. And you can also paint here. You can see. We have this next the egg that we just opened. It had this. We're gonna paint mushroom and a worm here, and it comes with this little kit with 2 paints and a little guy with a brush. Look, little guy with a brush. So we have a little bit of water here, Mila. Now let's paint it. It's okay. Let's paint it. Use the paint and here paint this. Green, yeah, green is good. Paint here. More, we need more paint. More, wow. Mila is painting. While she is doing that, I'm gonna open our next egg, which is egg number 6. 6 eggs we have already opened, and this amazing chocolate here. So let's open it. We have so much chocolate. And here we have another set, which is similar to the one where Mila is playing. I'm gonna show it to you. And it has different paints. Look, you see a guy with a brush and 2 little paints. Okay, let's put it here. Our next 3 eggs. Oh. Egg number 7. Egg number 7. I'm opening new egg. Wow! Uh-oh, it's a little bird. Mila, look. Little bird. Let's see. Wow, Mila, look everybody. Amazing picture from Mila. And we have this little bird. It's, I don't know how it's called, this little bird. And here we have a little place. It's like a picture which shows. We can put our little bird here, and like he is or she is in the nature. This background is a nature. Here on this little, let's make it the right way. This. and put our little birdie up here. This is egg number 7, and this is here we have egg number 8. Egg number 8. Now look, I'm opening Mila egg number 8. Mila is busy painting. Oh, wow! This little guy, he is called so here we have, this is it's a duck bill. Look, little guy. So he is a friend of our bird, and he also has this little special, like a picture background with the nature trees. You can have it for your collection. Wow! Wow, Mila! Look, Mila just painted a white rabbit purple. So we have duckbill in egg number 8, and here is our last egg, egg number 9. What will we have here? We have no idea. Let's see. Oh, something interesting. Let's see. Okay, we have legs. We have legs to make this little doll. Let's make this little doll. And we put. Oh. Little doll. Mama. And it comes with stickers, so you can make different stickers. Stickers, Mila. Yeah. Let me help you and show you what you can do. And here we have a little bag. Which we can make for our doll.
Everywhere.
How do you make it? I have no idea, but I'm trying. Like this. Little bag. Mila is still painting. Put these jeans. Jeans. Look. Ta-da! Ta-da! And jeans. I put the stickers and you can see she's wearing jeans. That's all the toys, all the Kinder eggs we have for today. 9 eggs. Okay, let's just show you again what we have here. We have here build up. This little guy, look here. We also have number 1, this ring. Panda. We have this hedgehog with the secret. Can open. See? You can hide something there, your money, your gold. And this is, I would say, the best toy that we found today in the eggs. It's a little princess in the flower. So we have a flower here, and oh, magic, and we have a little girl. Then we have these unknown creatures. Two unknown creatures. One on the top of another. We have this little girl.
Look at this shower. Mama, Mama.
Oh. Then we have this bird.
Mama!
Here is your bird. And here is your other friend. So we have 9 different toys. Only one toy we had a duplicate for those paint toys from Kinder. And Mila, as you can see, did a nice picture. Well, Mila, did you like the eggs? Did you like it? Yes. So bye-bye everybody, and we'll see you again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.